Hey guys, Candida here, and check out the handheld mesh nebulizer. Now, when you open your box, you're going to get 2 face masks, a mouthpiece, your USB charging cord, and the nebulizer itself. Now, you can also add batteries to it if you want. So here I've added 2 AA batteries. What I like about this nebulizer is you can hold it in your hand. You can see here it fits perfectly in my hand. So it's great for adults and children alike. So when you want to use it, all you've got to do is simply add your solution to the top right here. And we're going to get it going. Okay, so it's super easy to fill. All you've got to do is add your solution to the top, close it, and you're ready to go. You can choose between the large face covering, the small one, or the mouthpiece. So whatever you want to use, you simply just push it on, and with the push of a button, it's ready to go. And it's super quiet, so it's not loud. I'm not going to disturb anybody. This is really great at bedtime. When either I need one or my kids need one, I don't have to worry about waking them up if they're asleep or waking my husband up. So that's definitely a win. You can see it's got the mist coming out, and so I'm able to take it in. When I'm done, I can simply turn it off. If it runs out of solution, it's going to automatically turn off. When I'm done, the pieces are easy to clean. All I've got to do is pop it off, and I can pop this part off here. There's a button here. I push it, comes right out, and so it's going to be easy to clean. When I'm ready to put it back on, it just pops right back into place. Just like that, we're ready to go. It's lightweight, it's portable, it's quiet, and so this has been definitely a win for us. So I hope you found the review helpful.